Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make rice and pinto beans. So the first thing you're going to need is a pound of pinto beans, some salt, some adobo, some coconut milk, a cup and a half of coconut milk, and Maggi. You're also going to need some rice, whatever choice you want to use. I'm going with the parboiled rice. Of course, my coconut milk that's in the bowl ready to go, a drainer, a bowl, and a spoon, some saran wrap to stuff our rice with, oil of choice, and some epis. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to want to do is rinse out our beans. Make sure there's no dirt or any rocks in them. Pour them in your pot and add water about midway to the pot. And once we do that, we're going to put it on our stove at medium heat and let it cook. Okay, so this is 30 minutes later, and I'm just adding more water because you don't want the water to evaporate. You want the beans to cook. And about an hour and a half later, this is what it should look like. It should be soft. You don't want it to be crumbly. Now that it's cooked, I'm going to drain it and get ready for my next step. Once you drain your beans, go ahead and add the oil to the pot. Once it's hot, add a little bit of epis in, not a lot. And you want to let that to get brown just a little bit. Okay, so now that our epis is nice and brown, we're going to add our beans in so they can saute for about 3 minutes. So go ahead and add your beans in, give them a nice stir, and let it cook in the pot. Okay, so 3 minutes later, this is what you should have, a nice brown color to your beans. And then go ahead and add your water in. Once you add your water, you're gonna add your cup and a half of coconut milk next. Add your cup and a half of coconut milk. And then we're gonna add our seasoning next. It doesn't matter the order that it goes in. Just add salt, your adobo, and your Maggi. Okay, so now that our water is boiling quite nicely, let's go ahead and add our rice in and give it a stir. And then we're just gonna let that cook. This is optional, but I went ahead and add butter and thyme to my rice. And now that the water is completely drained, I'm going to stir it one more time before I steam it with my saran wrap. Okay, so we're gonna grab a saran wrap, cover our pot, and put the lid. And we're gonna let the rice finish off in about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. And this is what you should have. Very easy recipe to follow. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like what you see. Go ahead and press that subscribing button. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see how I make my oxtails, stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. Bye.